Good day po. Today, gusto ko po i-share sa inyo how convenient and helpful po sa akin yung CarPlay. Meron po yung Suzuki ko po. See, you can see today how we can call Lottie OR.
Calling Lotior Mobile.
Lot, mga 6:35. Pero tandaan lang ako how you can make
6:35
calls while driving safely.
Okay,
It can also give directions. You can navigate your CarPlay with the hands-free by voice call only. And also you can receive and send messages. And lastly, also you can play music with the voice command only. And for me, strolling, driving, receiving calls, make calls, it's very convenient really ang CarPlay. Kaya you must give it a try. And next time pag kumuha kayo ng new car, you can choose na may CarPlay kasi very convenient talaga siya, lalo na pag may mga long drive na kailangan nyo ng maps. Very helpful talaga siya sa akin. And I know for sure that magiging helpful din siya sa inyo. Kaya ganito lang pag naglo-long drive, lalo na yung bago ka sa isang lugar, ang Google Map talaga is very convenient. Tsaka makaka-navigate ka safely sa iPhone mo po. Or sa Android naman, sa iba there's Android Play also. Very convenient yung hands-free application nowadays ng mga bagong model phones. Kaya yun lang po, sinishare ko lang po sa inyo kung paano very useful po sa akin ang CarPlay.